Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome to my channel. So today I just want to show you guys what is in my fridge. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's see what's in my fridge. And yeah, if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. And to my old subbies, love you all. So let's get right into the video. Let's open the fridge. So, opening the fridge, we start at the door. Right here, I have some milk, some packs of milk, and here we have some grape juice, some pineapple juice, and this is also grape juice in this bottle here, and this is lime juice. Right up here we have all the spicy and all the hot stuff. We love spicy food in this house. By the way, just in case you don't know, the warmest part of your fridge is the door. So this is where you will want to store all your condiments, your glass foods, basically all foods that cannot easily go bad. So yeah, most of the time we use what's in here when we do some barbecue. And moving on, in here, I don't know if you can see, we have some, that here is mustard. Yeah, so that's what we have all the pasty kind of tube things on this section, and on the other section here we have the jam, and right up here we have the eggs going on. And moving on, right up at the top, I have beers. Those are hobbies. I don't like the taste of beer. Okay, guys, those are for my husband. So we have beer, we have lemonade, and some bottles of wine right there. And here we have some orange juice and Baileys. And we have some 7-Up and also 7-Up Sprite and Coke. And moving on, as you can see, needless to say, we love yogurt in this house. So all of this, all the way right inside, are all yogurt. And some Red Bulls to boost that energy. You need it. And of course here we have some sparkling water. We drink a lot of that to dilute our fruit juices. We usually dilute our fruit juices with sparkling water. And moving on, we have ketchup and mayonnaise from Heinz right there. So right here in this section we have some butter, we have some whipped cream right here, and at the back we have some margarine, cooking cream. So in that bowl is where I keep leftover garlic and onions whenever I cook. So, and moving on here, by the way, these containers are so helpful when it comes to fridge or kitchen storage in general. And they are so affordable. I think I got this in Globals, and they were so cheap. Like I got a 6-pack of them for about, I think, €6.99. So yeah, and they are so useful. Here we have some strawberries, avocado, and some what are they called again? Peaches. So yeah, these are just some fruits. I just cut some lime pieces and put them into my fridge just to keep my fridge nice and smelling fresh. So yes, and here in this bowl we have some cheese going on, and this is also cheese. And we have some vinegar, cucumbers, more of them. And here we have some mushrooms and some kind of sweet mustard. And moving on here I have some Parmesan cheese, some salamis, more salamis, and some bacon, some white sausages, and more salami at the bottom, and also bacon. In here I have all the vegetables and some fruits. So right in this corner I have some cucumber, spring onions, some tomatoes. I like my tomatoes still on the vine because they last longer on them. And we have some, what is it called again? I have half a cabbage, some sweet corn, iceberg salad, some bell peppers, yellow, green, and red. We have 3.5 of those ones, and more lime to keep the fridge nice and fresh. And here we have some more carrots, and here we have some grapes. So, and I only store fruits that are easily going bad into the fridge, but the rest I normally just leave them out there. So that's what I have in my fridge. Now we move on to the freezer. So in my freezer, at the top shelf, I have smoked fish, which I've already picked off the bones and put them into this bowls. So that's there, and both are smoked fish. And in here I have my beef meat. I just, when I get it from the store, I wash and cut them into cubes already, and then just store them into this freezer bags. So each bag is half a kilo of beef. So yeah. And the second one right here, all of these, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 of these are chicken wings, drumsticks, chicken legs. So all of these here are chicken. And here I have mincemeat, and at the bottom of it I have some pork meat, and in here I have my chili peppers, and here I have some shrimps, and some snail for my Benediction. And here we have some king crabs, so, and the last one here we have my ice. These are water ice for the kids, they love them. This is from some frozen watermelon and frozen strawberries for my smoothies. Some ice cubes down there, and ice cream, more ice cream at the bottom, and some more ice cream at the bottom. So yeah, this section is for ice cream, fruits, and ice cubes. So guys, and in here in my little store I have a second freezer. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys what's in there. At the very top we have frozen vegetables, pre-made vegetables, some potato kind of thing. I don't know what's the English name for that. It's really delicious. And right at the back we have some more vegetables. No, these are actually noodles. I think they're Italian noodles, something like that, that I can just throw into the frying pan, and something is good for eating. And in there are mashed potatoes, pre-made mashed potatoes, and here I have a pre-made lasagna. Right at the bottom we have some Italian pre-made kind of, I think, noodles also. And at the bottom I have some frozen green beans and some frozen mixed herbs. Usually put it into my pepper soup. And foods. And here we have some pizza, some more frozen stuff there. And here I have a spinach. And here we have some mixed vegetables, some Thai food, fish in breadcrumbs, some more vegetables right there at the back, and here pre-made mashed potatoes and some more vegetables at the back. And last but not the least, we have fish fingers in breadcrumbs, some okra and some sliced okra. And in here we have, I guess meatballs or something like that. Quick fix. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy watching it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. And yeah, I have to go to bed now, take my makeup off. I am tired. Okay guys, I love you all. Good night.